Welcome back to Miss Kim's Home and Garden. Today I'll be preparing the seedling potatoes for planting. Here are the little red potatoes that I will start to plant. I won't actually cut these. I will just plant these whole for these seedling potatoes. And here are the baking russet potatoes, and these I will cut. When you cut the seedling potato, you want to make sure that you have at least 2 eyes on each piece of the seedling potato. These are the Yukon Gold seed potatoes I'll be cutting now. I'm growing 3 types of potatoes because that's what I like to cook with. Looks like I have like a rotten spot here in this potato seed, so I'll just cut this out. And it should still grow, it should be fine. I'll just go ahead and cut this all out. I'm going to go ahead and turn all the potatoes up like this so the cut part can heal over, so when I go to plant them we won't have any potato rot. Okay, it's 2 days later and I have my trenches dug and they're 6 inches deep and I'm ready to plant potatoes. Here are the little red seedling potatoes I'm planting, and I'm planting them 12 inches apart. Here are the seedling potatoes that I cut, and I let them sit on the counter on parchment paper for 2 days, and they're ready to be planted. When you plant them, you want to plant them like this, with the cut side down and the eyes sticking up. I'm planting my potatoes today, and it's April, and I'm in a zone 6A, and my potatoes should be ready for harvest in 15 weeks, which will be in 105 days I will harvest these potatoes. And like I said, I'm planting my potatoes 12 inches apart. Now the potatoes are planted and I'm going to water them in. I hope you've been inspired to grow potatoes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.